Hello everyone, welcome back to Protech as well. This is me Surya Prakash, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how you can turn off this liquid glass option on iPhone for iOS 26. As you can see, after the latest iOS 26 update, this liquid glass theme looks like a 200 KB Android theme from 2013. And the most annoying thing is that there is no definitive way you can turn off the liquid glass right now. But there are other two tricks which you can use to make sure your Android looks like the previous one. Well, the two methods are going to be to reduce your transparency and to change the look of the icons. I'm going to show you the exact step-by-step ways to do it, so make sure to watch this video until the end. Step 1. Reduce transparency. Open settings, click on accessibility, click on display and text size. In here, click on this option known as reduce transparency. Once you reduce the transparency, as you can see, there is no transparent background if you click on a folder. Okay. Now the second change is to change how the icons look. The liquid glass icons make it harder to read and look. So in order to change icons, all you got to do is long press on your home screen, click on this edit on the left corner, and click on customize. Once you click on customize, you find four options: default, dark, clear, and tinted. Do not choose default and clear, as these both are going to be hard to read for your eyes. Choose either dark or tinted. I'll personally go with dark because I like this color theme, as I have a pure black background. Well, if you want to learn how to customize your iPhone like me, then I have made a separate video also. You can go take a look at it. I'll leave it at the description and the first comment too. You can go take a look at it. So yeah, these are the two ways which you can make sure your iPhone looks somehow different. Yeah, so if this video helped you, make sure to click on the like button and the subscribe button and the bell button to subscribe button if you want more such videos. Again, it's me Surya Prakash from Protech signing off. Let's again meet in the next video. Until then, bye.